Hi guys, so thought I'd do a quick little video on this. Not sure if there's anybody out there who's done this on YouTube, but I'm retrofitting heated seats into a second gen Legacy, and seats have obviously been for a while, and now it's getting cold. It'd be nice if the seats worked. So there's aftermarket kits out there, but I like the junkyard approach. I like OEM stuff. So what I did was I went to the junkyard and went to a 99 Outback Limited and cut basically all the floor harness out and the relays in the passenger side footwell by the glove box. Um, so here's what I came up with. This is all the other wiring, which obviously keep around. It's very handy. But so what we got here is one seat, one of the seat warmers, the two switches, that which is another seat, and then so I undid it from all that, obviously, undid the tape, figure out where everything went, and all the blacks obviously are grounds. So you can take care of that, put them in a good sturdy ground. Then what we got here is all the 12-volt wires. So I haven't exactly figured out where the red ones go. I believe the red ones are what triggers the lights. But if you give these all 12 volts, we give these 12 volt positive, and give the black ones ground, this appears to be functioning correctly on the floor here. The switches light up, do everything they're supposed to do. And now I'm figuring out getting the relay and the fuse stuff set up. So what we got here is this is the relay for the heated seats, and it clips up behind the plastic kick panel, like where the sill is, on the side of the glove box. So on the dash beam there's a little clip here for this. So here's how this works. So blue wire is feed. This will be the feed. And shoot, so if you flip that on, you can hear it click. And so I got nothing now. If you engage this, you can see we're getting 12, 13 volts out of that. Obviously my power supply, it's got a little over. So 13 is what feeds the heated seats. There's a ground, and here's the diagram you can take a look at. So right here is our area of interest. So blue feeds both seats. Yellow and red goes to a fuse, 20 amp fuse, which we will have. And then green and red goes up to fuse relay box and accessory. So that's what will fire this on, is the green and red wire will activate the relay, and I'll show you that now. So like I said, blue wire is what feeds the heated seats. This goes to ground. Obviously this will be from your battery, from the fuse box. And I'm not gonna be able to get that going, but what you know is you feed this 12 volt, and you hear it click on. So you will be getting power, and I'll try to show you how this works in case you don't know how relays work. And this one's a little different looking than your average one, but it works the same way. Turn it on, and well, I can't get a good connection on it, but you get the point. Yeah, so I'll do some more videos once I get it working, and get it all wired up and show you how I do this. To clarify this really quick, this is the heated seat side, ground. You can pay attention to the wires and their positioning. So ground, heated seat side, and then we've got, this is the switch source, so this needs to go to a switch 12 volt source, and this will be an always hot source. You can see it's a little bit thicker wire. So that's the how this relay works. Quick update on the seat harness. So as you can see, I got all electrical taped up. It's all I had locally, and yeah, but it's looking pretty good. So there's the switches. I've now got the relay wired in, and I've got a fuse on the switch side, and I'm going to put a similar one on the always hot. I just haven't dug it out yet. And then I'm going to probably combine these together as well. So that's a 15 amp fuse. I need to put a 20 in here, but that's just a placeholder. So this will go over in the passenger side, and then there's a ground here, which will go for the relay right here. This will probably end up going underneath the seat. We got a ground here, and then there's the switch. So I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna show you the relay and everything works. Okay, so I got both the grounds hooked up here to the power supply. The always hotline's connected, and if we apply 12 volt, you can hear the relay click. And when you do that, see, heaters will turn on. So there's two yellow wires that come off of this that I have not wired up. I figured that they were from the diagrams that they are for the interior lighting system, but I wasn't able to get them to do anything. I'm not sure if there's a secondary set of bulbs in here that are burnt out. I tried another set of switches as well. I don't know where they went, but yeah, I tried another set of switches I had, and they also didn't do anything, so I'm going to research that. They are tied up in the harness. Where are they at? Right here. I looped them up here, so if I figure out what these do, it's a yellow and then a white and yellow or something like that. But I'm going to figure out what them do. But yeah, so this is, as far as I can tell, a functional heated seat harness. I've had a few people interested in potentially purchasing one of these in my legacy group. So if this is something that you want me to consider doing, just like this, we could arrange for it. Yeah, but hit me up in the comments, or you could just shoot me an email at hartman.tyler@gmail.com. But yeah, and this is for a 1995 to 1999 Legacy or Outback in the United States. This would be basically the same procedure for a 93 to 98 in Japan and other places in the world, and would also probably be about the same for, I know, at least up till 3rd gen Legacy. They've got a very similar switch arrangement, and Forester as well. And being Forester, they share some of their heated seat systems with Nissans, I believe. So this is a pretty basic heated seat system. So hopefully this video was helpful for you.